Well, hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're doing something a little bit different and I hope a little bit more fun. Some of you guys have been talking to me about the fact that I haven't done any DIY or do-it-yourself skincare products in a while. And it has been a really long time because we've been so focused on skincare reviews and letting you know what ingredients will work for you and what ingredients won't. So today we're gonna do something different and fun and we're going to make our own body scrub. So good. And I know you guys are saying, wow, Chris, you bitch and moan and pretty much trash scrubs all the time. And I do, it's true, I really do. Mainly because commercially produced scrubs are really not good for your skin. Because a lot of times they're made with like fruit pits, like peach pits, apricot pits. Sometimes they're made with minerals, sometimes they're made with little plastic pieces, although those have been banned. I still absolutely do find those in some products of microbeads, which are really bad for your skin and really bad for the oceans. So yes, I trash them. But that doesn't mean that scrubs are not beneficial, because I talk about exfoliation all of the time, and a scrub is a great way to exfoliate and get those dead skin cells off so that your skin looks fresh and bright and healthy. So yeah, scrubs do play a part in a skincare routine as long as they're not harmful to your skin and you don't get micro tears, which all of those other type of products can produce. Now there are some commercial scrubs out there that I do like that are made with plant fibers like leaf fiber or bamboo, and those are fine, but they don't really get my skin as smooth as I would like. I don't feel like I get the exfoliation factor that I get for the type of scrub we're going to talk about here today. So this DIY, do-it-yourself scrub is super easy and super cheap. All you need is some Epsom salt crystals, which is magnesium sulfate, and an oil of your choice. Now I prefer that you guys use olive oil, coconut oil, or almond oil. Those are really good skin oils and they rinse off the skin fairly easily because again, we're exfoliating with the scrub and then we want to wash that off. So going out and spending a lot of money for like argan oil or maruca oil or any of those type of high-end oils, that gets really expensive, and really it's not necessary because you're going to be just washing it off. That's dollars down the drain. So Epsom salt, the base of this scrub, you might be asking yourself, or probably asking me, why Epsom salt? Why not like table salt or sugar? Well, the reason is that Epsom salt is a very soft mineral, magnesium sulfate, very soft. And what it does when you put it in the oil is it becomes a rounder piece of mineral. So it's a softer mineral. It dissolves somewhat in the oil, but not all the way. So you do get the scrubbing mechanism, but you don't get a really gritty, sharp face. This is a very soothing scrub that's very effective. Now, the great thing about Epsom salts is that you can get them plain, or you can get them with fragrance already in them. Usually it's a natural fragrance like lavender or lemon oil, lavender oil are used. That's all fine for making the scrub as long as you are not allergic to, sensitive to, or have problems with fragrance. If you do, just use the plain Epsom salts. You can also add a drop or two of your favorite essential oil, like lavender oil again, lemon oil. This is lemongrass oil. I typically like this one a lot. It doesn't bother my skin and it smells really good. You can use tea tree oil, for instance, if you have a proclivity for breakouts, because that's an antibacterial oil and it works very well. It's in a lot of bath and body products, as you know. So really, the door is open to whatever you want to add to this. You can add even fresh avocado, you can add banana, you can add a whole lot of different things. But this scrub is so super simple. All it takes is 1 1/3 cups of Epsom salt, 2/3 a cup of melted coconut oil. If you're going to use coconut oil, as you know, it's usually solid, you need to melt it, olive oil or almond oil. You're going to simply mix these together, and you want to start slowly using about half of the oil first and mixing in to the Epsom salt, because depending on your climate, Epsom salts pick up moisture from the air very quickly. And if you pour the whole amount of oil in there, you could end up with goop, and you don't want goop. You want a kind of nice, snowy, kind of crushed ice feel to the scrub. So if you're in a dry climate, it's going to take more oil. If you're in a climate like I am here in Florida, it's going to take less oil. And then you can add your essential oil, stir it up very simply, and put it in an airtight, watertight container so it can sit in the bath or on the tub and be easy to reach. Now, you can use this scrub on all parts of the body and the face. It's not going to hurt anything. And you guys know my rules for scrubs. We're not scrubbing a pan. We're not trying to clean, the ash out of a grill. What we're doing is a very light circular motion with this mixture for about a minute, no more than 2 minutes, and then we rinse off and cleanse to make sure the oil is gone. Your skin is going to feel so wonderful and supple. Epsom salts have so many benefits to the skin that people don't realize. It obviously is an exfoliant, but it also helps with pore congestion, clearing that out, preventing blackheads and bumps and breakouts. It also helps reduce the look of cellulite, and I know a lot of people find that a troublesome skin condition, and here on Chris Gibson Live, what's what we do? We solve skincare, or we're skincare solved. So there you have it. Very easy to do body scrub, very quick video today. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and please let me know in the comments below any DIY skincare products that you would like for me to demonstrate on here, keeping in mind that I'm only going to do Chris Gibson approved type things. It's not going to be weird, wild stuff. We're not going to put lemon slices on our face. That's not skincare in my book, so please don't do that. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys. Stay beautiful, and I'll see you over on the next video.